Hey, and welcome. I'm Say with Xude Yoga, and today we're doing a meditation to help you find balance in the midst of change. As you constantly evolve and become the person you want to be, there are going to be struggles, there are going to be challenges, and it's important to find a middle ground during these times. This practice incorporates soothing sounds of Koshi chimes, water, wind, and I'm going to be giving very little instruction. I want you to take this practice wherever it needs to take you. And let's get into it. Allow yourself to begin intentionally exploring your breath, taking deep inhales and deeper exhales, giving your breath the life it deserves. Allowing yourself to tap into your body by counting your breaths. Inhale, 1. Exhale, 1. Inhale, 2. Exhale, 2. Inhale, 3. Exhale, 3. And continue. Beginning to explore your core, your true essence. Locate your physical core. Locate your mental core. Locate your emotional core. And locate your spiritual core. Allow your cores to become one, giving your core an identity. What does your core look like? What color is your core? What does it feel like? What's the texture? What does it smell like? What does your core taste like? the color, texture, taste, smell, and the shape of your core is allowed to constantly change, and always give yourself space to reshape, refine, remember, release, and renew. As you move through the discomforts of change, remember to embrace the beauty of what's here and what's to come. You are allowed to endlessly change and evolve. As your core evolves, you are allowed to change your environment. You're allowed to change your mind. You're allowed to change your beliefs. You are allowed to change your relationships. You're allowed to change your world without the need for validation. In this moment, reminding yourself, I am allowed to change. I am allowed to change. I'm allowed to change. I am allowed to change without shame. I am allowed to change without anyone's approval. I am allowed to constantly and forever evolve. I am forever evolving. I am forever changing. I'm forever evolving. I'm forever changing. I'm forever evolving. And I'm forever changing. I am forever evolving. And I'm forever changing. I'm forever evolving. And I'm forever changing. Thank you for joining and sharing space with me. And until next time, peace.